How to change Instagram notification sound. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to settings. After that, go to sounds and vibration. Then scroll down and you will see an option separate app sounds. Tap on it. Then go to app. Then go to add apps. And a list of applications that are downloaded in your device will appear here. After that, what you will have to do is select Instagram. Then, after that, what you will have to do is simply select the audio or the notification sound that you want from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.